Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today we're talking about collard greens, and I have a list of herbs and spices that are known to go well with collard greens. So if you're looking for something a little different, different ideas and ways to flavor them, hopefully this will help you out. Try pairing collard greens with allspice, bay leaf, cardamom, chili pepper flakes, chili powder, cinnamon even, cloves, coriander, cumin, curry powder and curry spices, dill, garlic, ginger, nutmeg, paprika, black pepper, salt, and also turmeric. I do hope this helps you out. This is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Bye for now.